hands there so it can bite you? No, over here.
You're acting cute. Don't you nibble on my sister?
Who's the candiest, you reckon?
Probably Perry. Wait, is Perry the yellow one?
Who's the blue one?
Oh, then Piggy. Hey Piggy! Piggy! Stop attacking each other.